Audi has recently unveiled its newest venture into electric mobility with the Audi Q6 e-tron prototype. The first model based on the new premium platform electric, the Q6 e-tron is the product of Audi's collaboration with Porsche to develop a platform exclusively for electric vehicles. This marks a major step for the brand towards a comprehensive foray into electric mobility, promising a diverse lineup of models to accommodate a range of segments. The Audi Q6 e-tron not only represents a key turning point in Audi's history, but it also marks the beginning of the largest model initiative ever undertaken by the brand. The premium platform electric, jointly developed by Audi and Porsche, is flexible and versatile. Designed to provide the basis for a wide array of models in the mid-size and luxury segments, Audi has ensured this platform is flexible by making its wheelbase and battery size scalable. This caters to a broad spectrum of vehicles, from SUVs and CUV models with high floors to flat floor models such as the Sportback or Avant. To prepare the market and its customers for the introduction of the Q6 e-tron, Audi is conducting a carefully curated communication campaign. One of the highlights of this campaign is the exclusive Audi Q6 e-tron Experience event, where selected media representatives get the opportunity to test drive the prototype. This event provides a sneak peek into the vehicle's technology and the meticulous work of the developers. Audi experts are on hand to provide guidance and insights, ensuring participants receive a comprehensive understanding of the vehicle's potential. One of the most exciting features of the Q6 e-tron experience is the premiere of a world-first lighting technology. This innovation serves as a testament to Audi's commitment to pushing boundaries and setting new benchmarks in the automobile industry, beautifully encapsulating the brand's innovative DNA and drive towards cutting-edge technological advancements. The Q6 e-tron prototype is also setting new standards when it comes to performance, range, and charging capabilities. Thanks to its 800-volt electrical hardware and 270-kilowatt max charging speeds, the vehicle promises to charge its battery from 10 to 80% in about 30 minutes. The vehicle also boasts an impressive driving range of up to 373 miles. If these claims hold true, the Q6 e-tron would signify a significant leap forward in EV technology. Both the Q6 and the sportier SQ6 variants are powered by a dual-motor setup fed by a 100 kilowatt-hour battery. The Q655 e-tron is estimated to deliver a substantial 375 horsepower, which can be boosted to 396 horsepower. This allows the vehicle to achieve a 0 to 60 miles per hour acceleration in under 6 seconds. The SQ6, on the other hand, starts with a base power output of 483 horsepower that can be boosted to 510 horsepower for short time, thus achieving 0 to 60 miles per hour in less than 4.5 seconds. In terms of dimensions, the Q6 e-tron and SQ6 e-tron maintain similarities with their internal combustion counterparts, but feature shorter front and rear overhangs. This new design optimizes space, especially in the rear of the vehicle, enhancing head and legroom. Alongside this, the adaptive air suspension gives the mid-size crossover a unique combination of comfort and agility, smoothing out even the toughest of terrains. The Q6 and SQ6 offer a refined drive experience with well-calibrated comfort, balanced, and dynamic modes. Although the SQ6 is slightly more dynamic, both vehicles prioritize a comfortable ride above all. Furthermore, the Q6 and SQ6's regenerative braking system, adjustable through the steering wheel paddles, is stronger than most Volkswagen Group products, enhancing the vehicle's overall driving experience. To conclude, the Audi Q6 e-tron and SQ6 e-tron appear to be solid contenders in the luxury EV market, ready to compete with rivals like the Mercedes-Benz EQE SUV, Jaguar Y-Pace, and Tesla Model Y. With their 400 and 800-volt electrical architecture and swift charging times, these new vehicles are set to make an impact. There's more to uncover about the Q6 e-tron, but its initial impressions have set high expectations. With this new prototype, Audi has indeed made a strong statement about its intentions for premium electric mobility. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more car reviews and updates. See you in the next video.